Hi everybody, and thanks for viewing today's video on how to use the General Pipe Cleaner's BD Drain Gun, Power Drain Cleaner. Now, this is a perfect tool for, let's say, sinks, laundry tubs, small drains, 1.25 to 2 inches in diameter. The patented quick grip chuck with just a quarter turn tightly grips the cable, making it faster and easier to use. The drum holds 25 feet of 1/4 inch cable, Flexicore cable. Flexicore wire rope cable. Flexicore is made of heavy gauge wire coiled tightly around a 49 strand aircraft quality wire rope. We make it this way so that when the cable is in use, the machine's in forward and it hits an obstruction in the drain, the torque tries to get the outside spring to coil down. It wants to contract against the wire rope, but it has no place to go. Because of that, the whole cable stiffens, tightens, becomes stronger, just by nature of how we engineer it, exactly when you need it the most. This makes for a stronger cable, lasts longer, allows you to do more work. Now, just to go into some of the safety considerations for this device, we want you to use leather gloves. Not plastic, not cloth. They can get caught on the cable. Leather gloves for your protection. Also, use eyewear, some sort of eyewear to protect the eyes against splatter or any other debris that might come up in your drain cleaning activities. When you plug the device into the wall, make sure that it's a grounded circuit and that you have a functioning GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter. This is for your safety. We recommend that you use this only in small drains, for the drains that it was intended for, 1.25 to 2 inch lines. Anything larger requires a different machine. Always read the safety instructions before you start the use of the BD drain gun. So let's see how this operates. Okay, first we recommend taking off the trap, which we've done, so you don't have to wrestle the cable around the trap in order to get to where the clog is. When you have the area clean and ready to go, and this again is a typical sink here, then on a grounded plug with a GFCI and having tested it, then plug in your device. Loosen the chuck. And push as much in as you can. Tighten the chuck, leaving about 6 inches between the end of the tool and the drain opening, the pipe opening. And then slowly feed it in. Loosen the chuck, pull back, again about 6 inches. Tighten the chuck. Feed in. Now at that point, I felt some resistance. When you feel resistance, you let the rotation of the cable actually work its way through the clog or the obstruction. You don't use it as a battering ram. Use this more like a drill, less like a battering ram. Make sure the chuck is engaged. Until you work past the obstruction. And now I can feel I'm through. So to get out, I do the same thing in reverse. I keep the unit in forward and pull back. Release the chuck. Tighten the chuck and pull back. And now I can see the end of the cable. And that's it. With patience, just keeping it moving like a drill, you can get through almost any obstruction. After using the BD drain gun, we recommend using snake oil. Lubricate the cable. Keep it nice and fresh so it doesn't rust. It'll allow it to keep operating longer and it'll be more effective for you. Okay? So any other questions that you might have, you can call the Drain Brains at 800-245-6200 and they'll be able to help you. Thanks a lot for viewing. Have a great day.
General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.